Guys, hello teacher, hello everyone. This is Edward speaking again. And now I want to talk about 15 English sentences. Let's start. A sentences. So you can see the picture. This is a daily routine of a girl, but I decided to write some sentences. More exactly, A sentences. First, she gets up early in the morning. Second, she has a shower after get up. Third, she has breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Next one, she goes to school at 8 a.m. The next one, she goes home at noon. She has dinner at 6:10 p.m. She watches TV after dinner. Finally, she goes to bed at 10 p.m. Got other picture, daily chores. Right, more exactly, I have 7 sentences. The first one, she have to do the laundry. Second, he have to mow the lawn. The next one, she has to feed the dog. She has to walk the dog. He has to clean the car. She has to do the dishes. He has to take out the garbage. Thanks. That is all. Thanks. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it.